how to on microphone in WhatsApp. Hi everyone, welcome back to another episode. In this video, I'm gonna let you know the ways to turn on microphone in WhatsApp. If you want to do it, so go ahead and open up your WhatsApp application. You could go to settings from the top right inside, and then you could find out the notification. So here you could go ahead and enable the permission. However, if you're unable to find the permissions on the speech, then you could just go ahead and long press on the WhatsApp application, then go to the app info section. Next thing you want to do is you want to go to the permissions and make sure that all of the permissions are toggled on: notification, microphone, and all that. So you could then go ahead and read out all. If not, then you could turn it on. This way you could go ahead and turn on microphone and WhatsApp. That's all for this video. I hope the video was helpful. Make sure to like, share, and subscribe to our channel. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video.